All right, we got the power tool set from Harbor Freight, 56 piece. Oh, baby Cohen here is gonna show us what we got here. Isn't that right, Cohen? All right. All right, let's see what we got. Are you excited? A hat? All right. Braxton's gonna help us open it here. Braxton's just gonna help us open it here with his hands. All right. Cohen's going for that hat over there. All right. Let's see.
Cohen, I can't hear you.
All right, got him a hat on. Got some earmuffs. All right, let's see. Man, so you got, look, buddy, you can make your tool belt.
Look at this little nifty little tool.
Got you a saw. Look. Let's see.
Right
Look,
here.
buddy, got some pliers.
Cut the wood. Cohen.
Look, you got some goggles. Put your goggles on. Look, you got your own pliers. I'll help you with this. Okay.
Cohen, you want Bubba to make your tool belt?
All right, look at this. Keep them in your tool belt. Keep them in the container here so you can not lose them. All right, let's see. Where do they go? Look, you got a little vise here. You put stuff inside. You open it up like this. Okay. And then once you open it up, then you can put stuff in here to hold it. You open it like this. Okay.
Cohen, here's your tool belt.
Look. And then you can put your wood in there like this. And you close it like that.
Oh, we need batteries.
Look, see, close it like that, see? Now look, buddy, you can put your screws in there. See?
Oh.
What color is that one?
Right.
That's red?
Yeah.
What color is that? Yellow?
No.
Yellow?
Blue.
Oh, Cohen, here, look. A tool so you can do it fast. And then turn it.
See? That's neat, huh?
Oh, Cohen, here's a drill bit. Where's your drill?
Look, here's a measuring gauge. You can measure the distance something is with this.
Here's your name tag. There we go. There's the name tag.
Look, and you can measure